in Salesforce, there are two types of applications. Okay, first of all, application means application. See, this is a sales cloud application. Okay, see, these are the tabs. Okay, the application is nothing but the collection of tabs is called application in Salesforce. Once again, I will repeat: in Salesforce, collection of tabs called an application. In the application, there are collection of tabs are available. Based on that, using the tabs, we will create an application. Okay, and there are two types of applications in Salesforce. One is standard application and custom application. See, as I mentioned, standard application is nothing but the whichever the application which are created by the Salesforce is called standard application, and custom application is nothing but uh, based on our requirement which we will create, right, our own application. That is the custom application. And one more thing, standard application cannot be we cannot able to delete, but our custom application we can delete, because standard application is built by Salesforce. They cannot give you a permission to delete those things. Custom application which are created, right, we can delete. Okay, like standard application can here they mention, and what example for that application is sales call center. Call center is nothing but service cloud, marketing, these so on. See, as I mentioned, yes, standard application cannot be deleted, but it can be customized. Sorry, this thing I missed, but say cannot be deleted, but we can customize the application, standard application. Okay, or whatever. Like if we want a new tab, we can create that object, and we can set that object at a tab, and we can add into our application. Based on our requirement, we can customize that application. Custom application created by the user are called custom application. They can be deleted and customized as per our business requirement. Okay, here is the steps. You follow those things. I will tell you how to create the custom application in Salesforce. Okay, move to the setup, click on the French icon and click on the setup. In quick find box, search for app manager. On clicking on app manager, this Lightning app manager will be open. Lightning Express app manager. Here you can create your application. As you see, these are the inbuilt application which were provided by the Salesforce. Now we will build our new Lightning app. Okay, application. We will. This is the screen where we will first screen where we will fill our application details. Like we will mention our application as a GT University. Okay, we'll create an application for university. Okay, it is our application name, developer name, and description for this is for the this application we are creating for the. Okay, you can give your own description, nothing in that, and you can add the image for the logo image. You can apply for this your application here directly. Move to the desktop, take your own images, select, and you can customize that color. These colors of that your application you can customize. Okay, your selection. Use this by enabling this checkbox. Use this app image and color instead of the or custom theme. See, like if you want not as per Salesforce theme, you want to customize your own application theme, then enable this checkbox and click on next. Here, see, standard navigation means at a one click all the pages will be open there. Console navigation is nothing but like based on your new tab. Like one tab you click means it will be open in another tab. If you click another means it will open in separate tab. So they it can be navigation style can be Then here we can set that thing and support from the factor, like which support, like you only for desktop you need, phone you need, you can select the application can visible at phone or desktop, you can both desktop and phone you can mention here. And setup experience, like whenever you click on service setup or like setup full set options, like we will select this full set setup here. Rest do not worry. Utility, why we will use this utility? Because for example, as you see, you will if you in your mobile, what are the useful things you will kept at home page, like which are you use regularly, you will keep at home page, remaining will be in your mobile. But whichever application you use regularly means, there you will assign those, you will add that in home screen directly, you will open those regularly using application, you will clicking on that, you clicking on it will be open. Here also in Salesforce, by using add-on utility, whichever we want, like default, like whenever we open, based on usage, it will be shown first. Click on next. And available, like these are the tabs which we want to show in our, to show these are the available items which we want to show in our application. See, I will take first, I will take home home button tab, and I will add accounts, lead. These are the tabs. I will continue, I will explain you what are the tabs in few seconds. Okay, then case or opportunity, I will add. These are the inbuilt, these are the inbuilt tabs, like tabs, or tabs is nothing but on clicking tab we will get an object where we will fill data, like these are the inbuilt items which will be shown in our application. Okay, click on next. And here you can mention which profile user. Presently I will give for system admin. In upcoming videos you will be get to know what are the profiles and why it will be used. System profile, I will select for system profile and save finish. Our see, in if you click, our custom application is ready. As you can see, yeah, GT University application. It's we are created in the Lightning. See, if we created an application in Classic, we will get like two application. One has a Classic, one has a Classic, and one will be Lightning. Because functionality will be same, but UI where we created in application Classic, right? It will be created as Salesforce standard. It will be created as Lightning also, because if you created Classic, automatically it will migrate in Lightning. It can be mentioned here, whichever which one is Classic and which one will be Lightning. So directly we were created in Lightning, right? No, we are directly created in Lightning. There will be no need of Classic. It will be created. Only Lightning will be there. If we this application we created in Classic means one more application Lightning will be created automatically. This is the Salesforce standards. Okay. See, now we created our simple application. Okay. See, click on App Manager and view all also you can, and you can search here also GT. See, our application is showing GT University. This is our custom application. Whichever the tabs which I selected, only those are here in our application. This is my application, custom application, which in a few click, we created a custom application. In Salesforce, creating an application is very, we can create application very quickly, and it's an user friendly also. So this is the advantages in Salesforce. We can create our, based on our business requirement, we can create our quickly we can create our applications. Okay, these are the navigation of application and steps also I mentioned here how to create. And for application, see, size would be like we will add that image, right? In the application logo image, it should be more than 30, less than 20 KB. Like size should be more than 3 KB, less than 20 KB. And that width and should be 300 pixel and 55 pixel. It should, you need to maintain these things, size and width and height, okay, for that image. Now select the tabs, whichever you want tabs, you need to select there as I shown. Available items, that section came right where we will select our tab. And profile, whichever profile we need, we will, you practice these steps in your developer org, and you will able to know how to create application also. If you get any doubt anywhere, feel free to connect with me, okay. See, here in interviews, they will ask like how many custom application can we create, okay, for editions. Developer edition, we can create 10 apps, okay. This is developer edition. I can create up to 10 applications in my this developer edition. Enterprise edition, we can create only 10 application. In unlimited edition, unlimited of application we can create, okay.